How to download YouTube videos at high quality. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can download YouTube videos at high quality. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up youtube.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the home page, navigate to top right corner and click on the profile icon. From this menu bar, click on settings. Once you're on the settings, head towards your left hand side. Again, from there click on downloads. That's gonna land you to this page where you can adjust the download quality. So if you're just using the normal YouTube account, you will only have these options as the 480 pixels or 144, that is low quality. So for this you can simply choose standard, or if you have the premium account on YouTube, then there you will see other options as well. There you'll have an option for the SD quality as well. So if you have the premium account on YouTube, or if you have bought the subscription on YouTube, you can select SD quality from there, that is 1080 pixel. And after you have selected the quality to SD, now you can go back to your home page. From there, select the video that you want to download, click on the three dot and then click on download. And with that, the video will be downloaded at high quality and you can watch that video offline. And that's how you can download video at high quality. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.